So somebody has asked us what material you should use for the leveling pad for your Secura Grand retaining wall. Fantastic question, and there are two options realistically. For your gravity retaining walls, it's very common for contractors to use a compacted stone, such as a type 1 material. It's very quick, very cost effective to go down that installation method. However, when contractors go for the slightly taller reinforced structures, whether it be geogrid or concrete, it's far more common for contractors to go with a concrete leveling pad. And we have found over time that without question, the best and most efficient way to use the concrete leveling pad is for that material to be a semi-dry or a lean mix concrete, because it enables you to bed that first course of blocks directly into it. It gives you the best possible stable base to build that wall from. So low height walls, very common to use compacted granular aggregates, and for those taller structures, we're finding semi-dry concrete to be the preferred choice.